Today, ladies and gentlemen, we are answering an age old important question, and that is between the numbers 1 and 50, which numbers are the 10 most appealing and attractive, and the 10 ugliest and least appealing? Now, this is completely subjective and it is for my entertainment and maybe yours, but in terms of criteria, we're just general opinion. What I think I like, if it was on a smash or pass list, which ones I would go for, which ones I wouldn't. It's very subjective. But anyways, let's start with the top 10 least attractive. In 10th place for the least attractive number is the number 39. It's not the worst. Out of all of these, it is definitely not the worst, but numbers that end in 9 don't appeal to me. There's only one number that you'll see later on that does appeal to me. It just doesn't look right, and in it's just too much curves. But the mixture of straight lines, it doesn't make it very attractive to me. Right, in ninth place we have got 42. Same thing going on, just worse. Too much jaggedy, and with only the one curve, it's sort of like, why are you even, trying? There's no point trying. You're an ugly number. And same thing goes for the next one, number 8, 24. Same thing, flipped the other way around. Too many jaggeds, not enough curvature, which might be contrary to my next pick at 7. 38, a lot of curves. A lot of curves. I know. Some would say too many. And to me, it just doesn't look right on paper. It looks like it should be 88. It looks like it should be 83. It just make up your mind. It's not an appealing number. Next, we got 16. Pretty obvious. I look back to when I was 16 years old and I'm just like, ugh, mank. And yeah, that's basically why I just don't like 16. Not a good year. I think 16th birthdays are celebrated quite widely in the UK. You got 16th, 18th, 21st, but I think the 16th is just the worst one because it doesn't really unlock any superpowers apart from legally being able to shag and legally being able to smoke cigarettes. Anyways, next one in fifth place, number 7. Too many jagged points. It's like 1, but worse. I think 7 has its problems because some people put just a regular 7. Some people curve their 7s, and some people do a 7 with a line. Now, I'm the line person, so that's probably what's changed my opinion on this and why I'm so biased on it. I just don't like the number. It doesn't look good. Next, up in fourth place, 26. What a munter 26 is, itchy knee. You look at it and you're like, oh, it looks right, but you delve deeper and it's just, it doesn't look right. It doesn't look appealing, you know. It just looks wrong. Like if the numberjacks were a real thing and the number 2 and number 6 came into my room, I just wouldn't be turned on. I feel a bit gross, I need some good numbers. I mean, 2 on its own, pretty good. The 6 just ruins it. In third place, 33. Too many threes, too much curve. Again, same sort of situation with 38. Could be 88, could be 38, could be 83, could be 30. It's just not appealing. Next, we got another 30. We got 3 from the 30s, and the next one is 35. This number had so much potential. It really did. It's just within the beautiful curves of the number 5, you've got your jagged lines, which just make it so unappealing that I've had to put it in second place for one of the most ugliest numbers on this list. I think with this next one, we can all agree this one is the absolute worst. 49. When you look at the number 49, what do you think? You don't think, oh, she hot. No, you don't. You think, What's going on with you? What the are you thinking? Why are you like that? I mean, the number 4 already has its problems. I've always mentioned this, it's so jaggedy and, yeah, it just doesn't work unless it's together. And I think 9 has its separate issues, but that's a whole different story. Now, what are the most attractive numbers? The most attractive numbers between 1 and 50. In 10th place for the 10th most attractive number, 41. Now, controversy, I know, but I did say when you put 4s with the right numbers, they look pretty good. Like a 4 and a 1 together look pretty good. If you're drawing your 1 as a straight line, it wouldn't be on this list. It really wouldn't. But if you're drawing your 1s with the little notch and the little base plate, a 4 and a 1 together, so attractive. Anyways, the number 20. When you look at the number 20, you might think, strange. Why would that be on this list? It's because I think it balances well. It's what 49 wishes it could be. Because obviously, 2, pretty attractive number, better than a 4. And of course, 9 is just a version of the 0. Bigger curves, better number, simple as. In 8th place, the number 5. Now, this is a personal reason. It's not my favourite number. My favourite number is, of course, the one that I find the most attractive. But number 5, it's just, I always have my drinks or foods in groups of 5. I have 5 sips of a drink, then wait a bit, have 5 chips or crisps or chocolates. It's just a number that I like. It's nice. Oh yeah. Next, 37. Yeah, I think if you're writing your 7s correctly, unlike me, and you just do a regular 7 without the line through it, I think 3 and 7 work so well together. It's a beautiful pairing. I think people need 37 in their life a lot more than they think they do. Next, the number 2. First the worst, second the best. Simple as. Next, another one we can all agree on, 21. It's a good age, you know. It's a highly celebrated birthday around the world. You become 21 in the UK. You've already unlocked the abilities to buy drinks, buy smokes. But at 21, something just feels different. It feels, I know 18 is technically when you become an adult, but 21, you just feel more mature and like an adult. And 2 and 1 work together well. It's a good birthday. Imagine instead of 21, it was like 23 being celebrated. It doesn't feel right. It's a good age, and it means you can legally drink in America, because I don't know why it isn't just 18. I mean, you're able to get someone pregnant in America at the age of 18, but you can't have a sip of alcohol until 3 years later. Strange. Strange. I don't get it. Next number. This is where controversies may arise. 44. I think 4 on its own, not that appealing. But when you put them together, it's something that happens between 1 4 and another 4. It works so well. And it's really just very appealing. Next, the number 19. Now you might be thinking, why 19? I know 9's not, 0 is a better number than 9 in my opinion. Like the 1 and the 9, they look good together. They look like a married couple. And I think what people don't realise is that 18 is when you start uni, and 19 you're officially like 1 year through uni. It just feels good to know that you've been independent. It's like 19 is your first year or age of being like independent, and it feels good, It feels good. And in number 2, 36. Yes, 36. I know. Now, I was saying earlier, 38, too many curves, a few too many curves. This is where the curves are perfect. Between the 3 and the 6, they work together well. In, your 12 times table, it's my favourite times table, apart from 7. 7's a favourite in the times table, but also 12. You got 36, you got 36 things in roulette, you got 36 grams of sugar in something. I'll put a photo up of something with 36 grams of sugar. I don't know. But in number one, in no particular order, or of course there is an order, but in the number one spot, my favourite number of all time, 28. 28. Now I think this number is just extremely appealing to me. And if we're having a talk about numbers, my favourite number will always be 28. I could not tell you why. I just look at the number and I'm like, wow. You are like, just, wow. Lost for words. I think just the pairing between 2 and 8 so well. The curves work so well. I think it's the middle ground between 36 and 38. And I think it just all comes together to be so attractive. And yeah, it's just the most attractive number in my opinion. So as you can see, we have a clear favourite winner for the most attractive number being 28, and the least attractive number being, 49? Anyways, thank you for watching. Hope you have a good time. And next, we'll find out what's next.